Hello and welcome. This is a promotional video for Wintermann 400 VDR. VDR stands for Variable Dose Ratio. This machine can set foam dose ratio. You can dose from 2:1, 1:1, 1:2 and many more. Dose ratio is depending on the manufacturer of your foam, but it's up to you to set the machine in correct position using special settings parts. Wintermann 400 VDR is configured for injection, but it can also perform a normal contractor spray. Let's focus on the differences. Unlike in other machines, gun in this machine is controlled by electricity. Machine is checking if the button is pressed or not, and if it is pressed, then machine starts the countdown. A second and very important difference is that this machine is equipped with a special time controller. You can set the time of injection or spraying. It's mainly used in a process when you want to limit the amount of material injected in the space. It is very easy to understand how this works. In the side of the machine you can find a box with three very important parts. Emergency stop. You can stop the machine by it. Work indicator, it shows if the machine is on. And switch between manual and auto system. Let's talk about the difference between manual and automatic mode. When you are in manual mode, when you press the trigger, machine is working. When you are in automatic mode, when you press the trigger, machine starts working, but it is counting down the time you set on timer. If you are in the automatic mode and you will push the button and then quickly release it, the machine will stop working and so will the countdown. Please remember that the machine is counting down only when the trigger is pressed. Thanks for watching. We hope you will understand now the basics of Wintermann 400 and Wintermann 400 VDR.